Early direct deposit works by giving you access to your paycheck as soon as your employer sends the payment file, instead of waiting for the traditional bank settlement time. By the end of this, you'll know 6 banking apps that support early direct deposit, and what each one is actually better for depending on how you get paid. First is Chime. Chime is widely known for early direct deposit, where eligible users can access paychecks sooner than traditional banks once payroll is processed. It's best if you want a simple mobile banking setup with faster access to your money. Second is Varo. Varo Bank also supports early direct deposit and focuses on mobile-first banking, without physical branches. It works well if you want a fully digital bank with straightforward spending and saving tools. Third is Current. Current offers early paycheck access along with budgeting tools and spending insights inside the app. It's useful if you want more control over how your money is tracked and spent in real time. Fourth is Sophie. Sophie includes early direct deposit as part of its broader banking and financial ecosystem. It's a stronger fit if you want banking combined with savings, investing, and credit features in one place. Fifth is Cash App. Cash App supports early direct deposit when you set up your paycheck to go into your Cash App balance. It's convenient if you already use it for sending money and everyday spending. Sixth is Axos Bank. Axos Bank offers early direct deposit through its online checking accounts with a more traditional banking structure behind the app. It's a good option if you want early pay access but still prefer a full-service bank setup. To put this together, all 6 apps give you faster access to your paycheck, but they're built for different types of users. Chime and Varo focus on simplicity. Current adds budgeting tools. Sophie expands into full financial services. Cash App prioritizes convenience. Axos leans more traditional. The key thing to understand is that early direct deposit doesn't change your pay amount or timing from your employer. It just speeds up when your bank makes the funds available to you after receiving the payroll file. Pick the app based on whether you want simplicity, budgeting tools, or a full financial platform. If this helped, like and subscribe for more clear breakdowns of banking apps and money tools, without the confusion.